Being creative is exciting, but staying productive can be challenging. This video will share simple tips to help creatives like you keep the flow going and make the most of your creative energy. First, understand that creativity works best when you balance focus with breaks. Long hours without rest can slow you down and reduce the quality of your work. Try the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 sessions, take a longer break. This helps keep your mind fresh and your ideas flowing. Next, organize your workspace. A clutter-free environment helps clear your mind and reduce distractions. Keep only what you need close by. Use tools like notebooks or digital apps to capture ideas quickly before they disappear. Set clear goals for each creative session. Instead of thinking, "I want to create something," decide what exactly you want to achieve. For example, "Today I will finish the first draft of my design," or "I will write 500 words." Small, clear goals make big projects easier and keep you motivated. Sometimes creative blocks happen. When this happens, change your environment or try a different activity. Go for a walk, listen to music, or sketch something unrelated. These actions refresh your brain and often lead to new ideas. Limit multitasking. Focus on one creative task at a time. Switching between tasks can reduce your efficiency and interrupt your creative flow. Use timers or apps to stay focused on the current project. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your progress. Every small step forward is an achievement. Reward yourself with something simple: a favorite snack, a short break, or a quick stretch. Positive reinforcement keeps your motivation strong. To sum up, productivity for creatives means working smart, staying organized, setting clear goals, and caring for your mind and space. Follow these tips to keep your creative flow alive and produce your best work consistently.